Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Cs16.css, a CSS library inspired by the classic Counter-Strike 1.6 UI. It's amazing.
Wow, Counter-Strike 1.6? That's a blast from the past. So what makes this CSS library so special? Is it just a nostalgic throwback, or is there more to it?
Oh, it's much more than just nostalgia. It provides a complete set of pre-styled UI components, all emulating the look and feel of the iconic CS 1.6 interface. Think buttons, checkboxes, input fields, even sliders and dialog boxes, all styled consistently. It's incredibly easy to implement too.
Easy implementation? How easy are we talking? I'm picturing some complex setup process.
Nope, just a single tag in your HTML section. That's it. You grab the CSS from a CDN, and boom, you've got the whole library at your disposal. Seriously simple.
That's incredible. So what kind of components are we talking about? Are we limited to just buttons and basic stuff?
Not at all. We're talking a pretty comprehensive set. Buttons, of course, with disabled states handled elegantly. Checkboxes, input fields with labels, select drop-downs, even radio groups for those multiple choice scenarios. There are also progress bars, tabs, and even a fully styled dialog box with a close button and a footer for actions. And, tooltips.
Tooltips? Now you're getting my attention. How does the tooltip implementation work? Is it flexible?
It's quite clever. You can position them on any side, top, bottom, left, or right, simply by adjusting the CSS within the tooltip element. It's not overly complex, but it's effective and customizable.
I see. And what about the styling itself? Does it truly capture the essence of the CS 1.6 UI? I'm a bit skeptical, sometimes these retro themes fall flat.
Oh, I understand your skepticism. But trust me on this one. The developer, Samuel, has done a fantastic job. The color palette, the fonts, the overall aesthetic, it's spot on. It's a really faithful recreation, but with a modern touch, making it usable in today's web development landscape.
That's reassuring. So, is it open source? And what's the licensing like?
Absolutely. It's released under the MIT license, so you're free to use it in both personal and commercial projects. It's all about community and sharing, which is great to see.
Fantastic. This sounds like a really useful and well-executed project. Thanks for highlighting it. I'm definitely going to check it out.
You're very welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time with more exciting tech news. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.